Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can check your limits on Cash App, so let's get right into it. Now, I will be using this support article simply because I do not have Cash App in my region, but it should be well, obvious enough on how you can do this, and you shouldn't require any visual guide. However, again, I do apologize for not having it ready. Now, you do have a limit on your account, and you do have a limit of up to $1,000 per 30-day period for both sending and receiving. This is if your identity hasn't been verified. If you verify your identity, your limits will be increased, but the limits do depend on several different things. So if you want to locate the limits, you can locate them in the app. You just need to go into the app, log into your account, of course, and then in the top right, you'll see your profile icon. You just want to tap on that, and then in the account and settings section, you will see the limits option. So just tap on that, and then you'll be brought to the page where you need to see your limits. Other than that, you can also view the limits by scanning this QR code, which is on this help article. The article is cash.app/help/3122-increase-limits. You can easily find it on the support page yourself, but it is pretty much clear right here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now, you can also increase your limit for borrowing or using overdraft from Cash App, and that is to increase that, you just need to use it regularly and pay up your bills regularly. But other than that, there really is no other thing to say or do. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.